When folks say about McKinley, why you guys did not fix that roof in the past? They were putting some band-aid, but we got to the point where it's really in a bad shape. As superintendent, I have some time to shift priorities. That's what I'm bringing to you tonight. I say, please let's support the roof, because our students do not need to be having buckets in the classroom and rains, draining and all that kind of stuff. So I strongly believe in athletics. Strongly believe in athletics. Some of our students are really motivated to come to school because of athletics. But we're not neglecting that particular project. In the future, we're going to be able to come back and be able to bring that or replenish that $7 million that we're asking your approval, so that we can move this project forward. I just wanted to say it out there so that when you make your decision, it's going to be a well-informed decision. We really need help to make sure that our students are really in a conducive learning environment.